Hey, what's going on? I've got a quick unboxing video for the 3/8 drive Milwaukee Shockwave impact sockets. They are the Shockwave Impact Duty 3/8 drive. It's the 43-piece kit. It's giving you metric and standard from 8mm to 19. And standard is 5/16 up to 3/4 inch. There's a little information on the back. Got forged high torque impact steel, dual hull design, non-slip hex geometry, and then you got stamp and ink filled. Way you can identify your sockets easier. And the dual fill will be great if you're using a detent pin on your impact wrench, or if you're using them with a ratchet. That way you can click in on both sides. And here is the quantity and the sizes. Take a quick look. You can pause that and see if this suits you. You also have a lifetime warranty. Lifetime guarantee covers impact sockets and extensions only. Alright, let's bust this open. Real quick, that is your model number 49-66-7009. Alright, so you got nice case. Got two latches. See how they feel. Pretty solid. And there is the kit. They are lightly coated with a little oil for packing. Keep that rust off. Take a look at the sizes used a lot. 17. I'm going to click them into an impact wrench, see how they fit. So first off, appear to be really good quality. You have all your shallow or standard size and metric going across here horizontally, and vertically on the right side of the case you have your SAE or standard. Only negative I could see right here is the fact that they put metric and SAE both in red, the Milwaukee color, versus doing a blue, red, blue. Something to distinguish a little easier. I think that would have been a little bit better. Gives you a 3/8 wobble. I don't know if that is a pin design or pinless. Get a small extension, and you also get the impact driver attachment for 3/8 drive. Real quick thing I noticed, like quality control issue here, some paint up top on the socket and missing a little bit on some of the sockets on the stripes. Not too big of a deal, obviously. They'll be my paint will be gone, no problem. Here are your parts numbers. And claim number for warranty. Now what I'm going to do is take a 3/8 impact and try the fitment by putting them on. We got a 19 millimeter and we got the 3/8 stubby. Brand new, so it'll be pretty tight. And that is on there. Very good. Granted, brand new impact, brand new socket, so time will tell, you know, how much the inlet of the socket gets beat up after a while, but very good feel, nice and tight. Try another one with a lightly used air impact. Try the 11/16 on a nitro cat. And they are very good fit. Definitely takes some pressure to get them off. All in all, a great set. These are on sale right now for $99 at Home Depot. I think it's definitely worth the money. I mean, definitely fair price. This is a lot better than, you know, cheaper sets you'd probably get at Harbor Freight, the basic ones, or if you were gonna get, you know, low range or low price impact set. This is definitely nice. See how they hold up. Thanks for watching.